There is no use in living in a house with a woman who doesn't respect you. So, I have borrowed you this opportunity to listen. Hold this man to ransom with respect, reference, and he will be your slave forever. And my wife's slave. Anything she wants done, I do it. Because kò sí nǹkan tó lè sọ fún ìyàwó mi, èmi ló máa jàre. Torí náà, má gbóúnjẹ fún, ó lè jẹun lójú ọ̀nà. Ó lè stop ẹ̀ láti máa yòókù oyè kó yẹ.
Ayodele TV. Ayodele TV.
Particularly the parents of my life and the group. Let me especially thank you all for being part of this event. Earlier on, Council, I attended Mr. Ayodele's 40th birthday. I attended 58, attended 68. I attended all his functions because he is a man of honor. They are both from Ekiti. And he has shown reason for us all from Ekiti and outside Ekiti to associate with him. And that quality tells me the more you will support people's causes, God will support your cause. You are alive, able to attend functions, and they say, I'm going to pray to God when Mr. Ayodele will become 80, I will be there. And please say amen to that for me. When he will be 90, I love to be there, but I don't want to, because I don't want to be too old. Because old age comes with a lot of challenges. That's on the side. As a friend of this family, I know them. I know Mr. Ayodele so well. And I know this wonderful woman, his wife. I know them. They are very, very wonderful family. YEMKEM. Where can I go from the sir? Again, I am more than glad to see the governor of Ekiti here. And that makes me very glad, and it shows who Mr. Ayodele is and the presence of the government. And I want to say, sir, everybody has commented very nicely by the caliber of people that attended this occasion. Shows the kind of person you are. Share your moments with others. Today they are sharing their moments with you. Let me advise this couple. Sit down, my son. Sit down. Sorry. Yemi is my son. I know Yemi well. And he worked with me closely. I met your wife recently. So I am going to advise the wife. I won't advise you because I know you will not mess up. I know you will not mess up. By a man of peace. I'm not saying your wife will mess up, but I want to advise her. And I want them to put camera in my face. When my son got married, I told him certain things, and those things went viral. So I'm going to tell this wife again today. Men cannot be thrilled by food. Men, you can't thrill me by food. You can't thrill me by that other one too. That is the truth. Because you can order food, you can order that one too. I cannot be thrilled by it. I will only be thrilled by just one thing. And I want to tell you, it will be a magic in your hand. Learn from what I'm saying today. If I come to this world again, I will marry my wife. Because what I want to tell you is what my wife serves me morning, afternoon, and night. Everybody in Nigeria knows her. It protects me with prayers. But that's not where I'm going. That's not where I'm going. Men can order food that you are making. You will order from 10 different bakers. The other one too, men can order it. And they are readily available. He doesn't thrill, he only thrills when you do the following things. Men cherish respect. Respect. These millennium girls, they don't respect us back. If my daughter-in-law does not respect my son, and I want her, and she says she wants to leave, I will tell my son, let her leave. Men love respect. My wife serves me respect in the morning, respect in the afternoon, respect at dinner, respect in the night. It now makes everything she's doing to be acceptable. Any lady who does not respect a man will kill that marriage automatically. There is no man that can please a lady who does not respect. For me, my wife, even when I'm wrong, she will be the first to tell me I'm sorry. Even that I know that I'm wrong. And she will tell me, you can't sentence more than sentencing a man that is already guilty. Then she will disarm me. The only way to disarm this guy is to continue to respect him. There is no use in living in a house with a woman who doesn't respect you. So, I have borrowed you this opportunity to listen. Hold this man to ransom with respect, reference, and he will be your slave forever. And my wife's slave. Anything she wants done, I do it. Because kò sí nǹkan tó lè sọ fún ìyàwó mi, èmi ló máa jàre. Torí náà, má gbóúnjẹ fún, ó lè jẹun lójú ọ̀nà. Ó lè stop ẹ̀ láti máa ìyókù òye kó yẹ. Àdúrà ló fi máa control yẹn. Ìyẹn ò ṣàlàyé téèyàn lè ṣe kọ́nà kó ṣọ̀yọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Bọ̀dá kòtó ara jẹ́ onítẹríba tó bẹ̀rù ọkọ ẹ̀. Wọ́n ní kékeré lábẹ́rẹ́ ń kéré, kì í ṣe mímí fún adìyẹ. Best of luck.